Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update profile in United Concordia portal, member guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the United Concordia portal website. Log in using your member credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile section in the main menu. Click on the profile option to access your account details. Here, you will see your current account information displayed. To update your personal information, select the Edit button next to the section you wish to change. Make your desired changes in the fields provided. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your changes, find the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply your updates. Your profile will refresh, displaying the updated information. If you need to change your password, look for the Security Settings option. Select Change Password and enter your current password followed by your new password. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. Click the Update button to finalize the password change. Always remember to log out of your account after making updates. This enhances the security of your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.